Everyone, welcome back to the channel. It is now day 7 of the journey. Still at $0, but it is what it is. We're just gonna keep going right now. But today we got lots planned. We are going to build another set of tables out of, there's a old piece of spalted poplar or whatever it was that I'm gonna be using to make another set of tables. And to build the base, we are going to be using this lumber that we milled up or planed and cut yesterday. If you haven't watched that video, please go check it out. And we are also going to be putting wood filler on these table legs that we finished building yesterday. We got a little pile here so far, and we'll see what else we can get up to today. We got a big day ahead of us, so thanks for watching and please subscribe. Okay, everyone, so that will be the end of today's video. What we got done today was we built these little legs here. They aren't done yet. I'm still gonna do some finishing touches to those. And we also got these prepared for the tops of them. Yeah, something like that. But yeah, so I think that went well. What else we did? We sanded off some finishing, and finished up some epoxy pieces. Those I just need to polyurethane, and yeah, I might have got to that already too. And then once we get that done, I just need to mount them, and they're ready for sale. Which 3 of them are custom orders, so that will give us a big boost on the Challenger. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Really makes me want to keep doing these videos for you guys. And comment what I can improve to in the video editing and stuff like that, because I want to make my videos a little bit better for you guys. So yeah, stay tuned for tomorrow. Day 8, here we come.